Shipping code is easy. Shipping code consistently without errors and at scale, that's where things get tricky. That's where deployment automation comes in. Instead of relying on manual steps, deployment automation streamlines the process, making releases faster, more reliable, and stress-free. Think about it. Every time you deploy software, there are multiple moving parts. Code needs to be built, tested, packaged, and deployed across different environments. If done manually, each step introduces the risk of human error. One misconfiguration, one forgotten dependency, and suddenly your production release turns into a nightmare. Automating deployments eliminates these risks, ensuring every release happens the same way every time. A good deployment pipeline isn't just about speed, it's about control. Continuous integration, or CI tools like Jenkins or GitHub Actions, ensure that new code builds smoothly. Deployment automation supports the next part of continuous delivery, moving that code into staging and production. Infrastructure as code, or IAC tools like Terraform, automate infrastructure setup, making sure environments remain consistent. And version control systems like Git track every change, allowing teams to roll back if something goes wrong. Beyond just speed and control, deployment automation improves team efficiency. Instead of developers spending time troubleshooting deployment issues or manually copying files to production servers, they can focus on writing and improving code. Operations teams benefit too, as automated deployments reduce the need for late-night emergency fixes caused by configuration mismatches. Security is another main benefit. Manual deployments often introduce vulnerabilities, misconfigured access controls, forgotten environment variables, or outdated dependencies. Automated pipelines enforce security best practices by running checks at every stage, ensuring code meets compliance requirements before it ever reaches production. By automating, we also reduce the number of people who need access to make changes to our systems. But automation isn't just about the tools. It's about the mindset. The best teams treat deployments as routine, not an event. They deploy frequently in small increments, reducing the risk of major failures. They test everything from code quality to infrastructure stability before a single line reaches production. They use monitoring to catch issues early and alert the right teams when something goes wrong. When done right, deployment automation makes scaling easy. A small startup pushing daily updates? No problem. A global enterprise rolling out changes across multiple regions? Just another day at the office. The ability to release quickly and consistently gives teams the freedom to focus on what really matters: building great products. At the end of the day, the question isn't whether you should automate deployments. It's how fast you can get there. If this helped clarify why deployment automation is a game changer, hit the like button and subscribe for more insights on DevOps and modern software development. See you next time.